Hey guys, welcome back to NanoEdge. Washing cars is more complex than it seems. Friction generated by driving creates static dust that becomes stuck to the car. This type of dust is not easy to wash off. Using water and a normal car soap will not work. Washing a car by hand will only create more scratches and swirl marks. To combat this problem, the geniuses over at Kenotek created an amazing professional product called Cargo 3700 and 4100. This powerful alkaline soap is used for touchless washing. It works by attacking the static charge built up from normal day-to-day driving, detaching the dust from the car. Since the process is touchless, everything occurs from a safe distance, which means zero scratches and zero swirl marks. After a few minutes, cargo begins to slide down the surface, taking all the dirt with it. After a rinse, your car's skin is ready to get shampooed and dried.